Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. The first one, these earbuds have ANC and you can enable it by a gesture or in the application. You just enter to it. If you edit your earbuds here, you will see this menu with ambient sound control. You tap at ANC and then right here we have 3 modes. It's up to you. You can use adaptive and it will switch. It depends of your background. It will change this ANC level. You can also select some scene here, so if you are in the transport you can choose transport scene, and it will also change ANC level, or you can set manual mode and make something good for you, enable personalized to ear channel. It's also a good one. Also, if you use ANC, I recommend it to enable wind noise reduction. It's a good one. You can't enable it in the ANC in the normal mode, but you can use it at the ANC or transparency mode. And the next one, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You just enable transparency mode. You can make it again by a gesture or in the application. Right here we have 2 modes, so you can select vocal mode or full transparency and also use it. And you can use wind noise reduction with transparency, as I said previous. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser. And right here we have a lot browser, so you can find something good for you. Or you can also create your custom preset, and you can create more than one custom preset, so it's a good one. Next one, if you play games, I recommend it to use gaming mode. You need to enable immersive experience and then you just stop the game mode. But you can't use equalizer with this mode. So when you finish to play a game, I recommend it to disable this mode. And also here's movie mode. So when you watching a movie, I recommend it to try this mode also, or when you watching a video. Also, these earbuds have dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your earbuds simultaneously, and I guess it's a good feature also. The last one, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the back side, right here we have connection button. You just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed 3 times rapidly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!